This is Rukshika Rajkumar from I Teach by R, and today I'm going to explain you about the index laws section from the first chapter of Pure Mathematics 1. At first, I will explain you some topics and work on some questions and in future I will share my experiences and work on many other questions. So in this notation, this 9 is the index and this x is the base. We also call this as power or exponent. Now I'm going to explain you the laws of indices. The laws of indices can be used to simplify powers of the same base. So here we can see a to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the sum of m and n. And now I'm going to present you an example. So in this, x is the base, the value of m is 3 and the value of n is 4. And when you're going to multiply, the answer will be x to the power of the sum of 3 and 4. And we get the answer as x to the power 7. So in this one, a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. The example for this law is three x cubed divided by 3x squared is equal to x. The example for this law is y squared to the power 5. And the result is y to the power 2 into 5. The final answer is y to the power 10. The example for this law is now we've seen ways to simplify the index using these 4 rules. And now we're going to see how we could expand and simplify expressions. Now we have to rewrite the expression by expanding the brackets. You have to be careful when expanding brackets with a minus sign outside of them, because a minus sign outside the brackets changes the sign of every term inside the brackets. Observe the sign change over here from minus to plus. And now to make this easy, let's calculate the x terms first. 7x plus 3x minus 6x. So 7x and 3x gives us 10x. 10x minus 6x gives us 4x. Minus 14 plus 12 plus 12. Minus 12 plus 12 gives us minus 2, and minus 2 plus 12 gives us plus 10. Now let's work on another question. So now let's expand the brackets. 4x by x is equal to 4x squared, and 4x into 3 is equal to 12x. Minus 2x into 3x is equal to minus 6x squared. The positive sign changes into a minus sign after you multiply this value with the minus value. And minus 2x into minus 7 is equal to 14x. Observe the sign change here. Minus into minus will give you plus. Now let's simplify this expression. So we have 4x squared and minus 6x squared. So 4x squared minus 6x squared is equal to minus 2x squared. We do not have any other x terms, so we cannot simplify this any further. And that's the same for this value as well. Now let's try to simplify fractions. Now let's break this fraction into two simple fractions. 7 divided by 5 will not give you a whole number, so let's leave that out as a mixed fraction. And now it's time for you to use this rule. So we know that the value of m is 7 and the value of n is 1. X is x to the power 1. So x to the power 7 minus 1. The numerator and denominator in this fraction will cancel out each other. We're going to use this same rule here as well. So that's x 2 minus 1. Now we have the simplified result of this fraction. So that's all for today, and if you have any questions or doubts with this topic, please feel free to comment in the comment section below. And if you have any questions which you can solve within this topic, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to stay notified about my topic explanation and problem solving videos. Don't forget to comment, like, and share.